Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Thompson's classroom. Today we're going to talk more about trig ratios, and in particular we're going to solve some application problems with these. So let's get started by looking at a right triangle. And the question is to solve the triangle. That means we want to know all the angles and all the sides. So we have angle A, angle B, and angle C, and we know that C is marked as 90 degrees. And B is marked as 25 degrees. Okay, now we know that every triangle adds to 180 degrees. So that means that angle A is going to be 180 minus angle C minus angle B. Okay, so that means angle A will be 180 minus 90 minus 25. So that ends up being 65 degrees. Okay. All right. Now, to find the two side lengths, I know side A, side B, side C are the three sides. We always name sides by the angle they're across from. So B is 8. Okay. So now we're going to use some trig to find the missing two sides. So I know that sine of 25 being opposite over adjacent is going to be 8 over C, because C is our hypotenuse. Okay, so then if I cross multiply, I get C times the sine of 25 equals 8, and so I can do 8 divided by sine of 25 to get C. And that gives me 93. Okay. Now we can do a similar thing to find A. We know that the tangent of 25 is going to be opposite over adjacent. So again, I can cross multiply and divide, and I get A equals 8 divided by the tangent of 25. So 8 divided by the tangent of 25 comes out to be 17.16. And so we have found all 6 pieces of the triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles. Now let's put this process into a word problem. So we have a river that is 15 feet wide at point C. Okay. Alan canoes across the river from point C and ends up at point A. Okay. He measures the angle from where he started to be 18 degrees. So let's kind of reword this a little bit just so that we know. He measures the angle. We'll go to where he started. So that means he's here now. This is Alan, okay, sitting at point A, and he's measuring that this is 18 degrees. The question is, how far downstream is he? That's X. And how far did he actually canoe? That would be this distance here. Okay, so we have to read our problem, draw your picture, that would be the first step, so you can see your triangle, okay? Now, why did he end up not just going straight across? Well, anytime you're in a river, there's a current, and so it's going to take him a little bit downstream. So let's figure this out. So I know that tangent of the 18-degree angle is going to be 15 over X, because that would be opposite and adjacent. Okay, so that means X is going to be 15 divided by tangent of 18. So we'll go to our calculator, and we get X is 46.17, and because we are in feet, and this is in feet downstream. Okay, now to find D, I'm going to use this 18-degree angle again. I want to go ahead and use the 15, not the 46, because this 46.17 is rounded. It's not precise. So I do want to use the 15 if possible. So it's the opposite. The D is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to set up the sine of 18 is going to be 15 over D. So D is going to be 15 divided by sine of 18. So we'll go to our calculator, and we get the distance is 48.54 feet. So he actually canoed a little, a couple of feet further than if he had just been able to go straight across. Okay? So the basic idea of these is to draw the picture so you can see the triangle. Mark the things you're looking for, so always read the questions at the end and know what the unknown is. Where are we trying to get? And then set up the trig ratio for relating that unknown to the known and calculate. So go ahead and try this practice problem, and then we will see you in class next time. Okay, so you can pause the video and see if you can get where I got. All right? Okay, we will see you next time. Thanks for joining us.